Today's episode will show you some home decor ideas to grow indoor plants using LED strip grow lights. How to install this grow light LED strip and more coming up. I'm sure most of us would love to grow plants indoors, whether it's for aesthetic reasons like home decor or whatever. We face many challenges in growing plants indoors. The single most important challenge is lack of sunlight. There is a minimum requirement of sunlight for every plant, lack of which can seriously damage or even kill the plant. Not every house or apartment is blessed with enough sunlight. So, what's the solution? Many of us keep plants indoors and do all the hard work of shifting them outside in full sunlight once or twice a week to keep them alive. This is quite a cumbersome job. The best solution is to provide artificial grow lights so that the plants can continue their photosynthesis. A small grow light which somehow resembles sunlight will just do fine. You can check my detailed videos on basics of indoor gardening, grow lights and all about indoor gardening from a playlist linked in description below. Well, now let's install a grow light for our indoor plants. Grow lights are not expensive nowadays. You get simple grow light bulbs for smaller plants, full spectrum grow light panels which even support flowering and fruiting. I have shown them all in my earlier episodes on indoor gardening. Now, coming to this LED grow light strip, this is a good option for certain areas in your home and adds to the beauty of your home interiors. These LED strips come in various lengths like in meters. Depending on your requirement, you can order these grow light strips from Amazon or any other reliable shopping website. These are waterproof strips and come with a sticker at the back surface. You can have a look at this partition panel and have created these two compartments for indoor plants. I have done the wiring from inside for power supply. The most elegant way to install these LED strips is to use these aluminum profile light channels which again come in various sizes. Here I am using 17 mm channels. You need to cut a groove for this 17 mm channel. Now let us first assemble these LED light strips. You can measure the length of the strip needed and how many strips you require and make a cut at this point marked on the strip. This is not rocket science, it's simple DIY thing. If you want to join these two strips together, you can use these connectors of proper sizes to hook in the ends of the strips. Or you can just solder wires to the ends. Make sure you have a color coding for positive and negative terminal and not to reverse the polarity. It's clearly marked on the strip. Depending on the specifications of your strip, you need to provide a proper power supply. Like in this case, it's 5 volts power needed for this strip, for which you can connect it to any mobile charger or a socket with a USB charging facility which has 5 volts power supply. You can solder or join the wires from any USB cable to this LED strip. Then you can stick the strip to the aluminum channel and fix the channel to your plant compartment area. That is it. You can power these on for 10 to 12 hours a day depending on the plant you're growing under it. Make sure the distance of the plant is not too much from the light source. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Happy gardening!